ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to Somerset 313 as we bring you the Vivo Store Grand Launch in Singapore. This store marks a major milestone for Vivo. It is our very first Vivo experience and service store in Singapore. More than just a retail space, it represents Vivo's long-term commitment to the local market, bringing our design-driven technology closer to customers. And right here, visitors can experience all the latest and greatest. With that being said, the moment we've all been waiting for, we're gonna officially mark the grand opening of the Vivo Experience and Service Store, San Tintai. Go ahead, ladies and gentlemen, make some noise!